Most important current affairs February 2025. Which country became the first in the African region to officially eliminate onchrosis? Onchrosis is a disease of eyes. The correct answer is Nigeria. Nigeria was the first African country who officially eliminated the onchrosis. When US and Russian hold first high-level talks, the correct answer 2025 first high-level talks between US and Russia. Which country to build first deep water space station in South China Sea? The correct answer no. China was the country who built first deep water space station. World Day is observed the World Radio Day. The correct answer in February 2025 is considered as World Radio Day. Which country is ranked first in the Global Fire Power Index 2025? Russia, China, US, India. The correct answer US was the first rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025. Where was the World Government Summit held? World Government Summit held. Dubai, USA, Saudi Arabia, UK. The correct answer is Dubai. Dubai was the country which was first World Government Summit was held. Which country hosts Olympics 2025? Dubai, USA, Saudi Arabia, UK. The correct Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia was the first country host the Olympics 2025. When was President Donald Trump declared as Gulf of America? The correct 9th February 2025, President Donald Trump declares as a Gulf of America.